Welcome to the Millennial Capital YouTube channel.
Disclaimer. The content provided on Millennial Capital is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice, investment advice, or recommendations of any kind. Before making any financial decisions, viewers are strongly encouraged to conduct their own research, seek professional advice, and consider their own individual financial position, risk tolerance, and investment goals. By accessing and viewing content on Millennial Capital, you acknowledge and agree that you are doing so at your own risk and that you are solely responsible for any actions you take based on the content provided. Hey folks! If you're an investor with Celsius Network, you've probably heard about their Chapter 11 case and are wondering how to navigate this whole voting process. Well, you're in the right place, 'cause today, I'm going to walk you through this, step by step. Let's jump right in. Check your email. If you have a Celsius claim, there should be an email sitting in your inbox right now. Keep an eye out for the subject, in Re. Celsius Network LLC, et al., case number 22 to 10964. Review that solicitation package. When you open the email, you'll see a whole bunch of documents. It may seem daunting, but it's crucial to read through them. They've got all the juicy details about the solicitation package. Online voting portal. Click the link in the email that takes you straight into the online voting portal. It's like going digital with democracy. Instructions. If you're the type who loves to read the manual, or just need a little extra help, click on the instruction link. But if you feel like a pro, hit that Continue button. Once you're in, you'll find details about your claim amount. For me, it's the convenience claims amount. Click Next. Item 2 is Guide for filling out this account holder ballot. Click Next again. Proceed to Item 3, which is about the treatment of retail borrower deposit claims. Click Next. Next up is Item 4, which talks about the treatment of convenience claims, including the minimal claim threshold of $10. If you qualify, great. Click Next. Item 5. If your total claims are more than $5,000, you can choose to have them reduced to just $5,000 and get a special treatment. I am not eligible because my balance is less than that. Check yours. Now, click Next for Item 6, another optional election, regarding the form of distribution. Check if you're eligible. Item 7 is all about custody claim information. Give it a read and click Next. Proceed to Item 8, which discusses class claim settlement opt-out. Determine your eligibility. Item 9 is the most critical one, voting on the plan. I recommend voting here. Put a tick mark in the Accept, Vote for, the plan box. Item 10 offers options regarding third-party releases and contributed claims. My 2 cents? Perhaps skip the tick boxes, but of course, the choice is yours. Item 11, Contributed claims. I suggest you put a tick mark here, but it is up to you. The committee strongly encourages you to elect to contribute your contributed claims to the litigation administrator. Click Next. Item 12, Account holder avoidance action settlement. I suggest you don't put a tick mark here, but it is up to you. Click Next. Finally, there's a certification step where you simply sign off by entering your name. Once done, hit that Submit button. You should get an email confirming your submission with a reference number. Make sure to save that. Always remember, being an active part of these processes helps safeguard your investments and works towards that financial freedom we're all gunning for. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to navigate the Celsius Network ballot for the Chapter 11 bankruptcy case. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and for more investment tips, stock market insights, and cryptocurrency chats, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next video.
Please don't forget to subscribe to the Millennial Capital YouTube channel. See you next time.